In this video, I'm going to show you the entire process of how can you start making money with affiliate marketing utilizing Pinterest and ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you the process and I'll continue this series. So if you want me to continue this series, make sure you subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. You want to make money with affiliate marketing. That's why you're here. But right off the bat, I'm going to set the right expectations for you. There's so many popular videos showing that it's so easy. This business, this side hustle, affiliate marketing, it's easy. You're gonna start making 10K in 30 days. No, that's just BS. And I want to be honest with you, and that's the way I like it to be. I like when people are honest, so I want to be honest with you. And that's the reality. It takes time, especially if you are a beginner. If you already have like under your belt years of experience, then absolutely in 30 days you can make probably 10K, but it's hard. It's really, really hard. And if you're a beginner, you have to put a lot of work up front. You have to work a lot. It's gonna take a lot of time. I just wanted to mention that. So now let's jump right into this video. I'm gonna show you how you can start making money with affiliate marketing, promoting products using ChatGPT and Pinterest, promoting those products on Pinterest. So now from where we can promote this product, you can find also product in a lot of different places. There's a platform you use and it has affiliate marketing, affiliate partnership program. If there's affiliate program there, you can sign in that program, and yeah, that's one way. But what I'm gonna show you today is ClickBank. It's really popular, probably you already know, I don't know, probably. And here on ClickBank, I'm actually gonna show you first this really interesting account that is just creating, it's not creating, it's just downloading videos from TikTok and posting here on his TikTok account. And you just have to make sure you give credit as the person did here, as the creator or the account owner did here. You just have to credit the owner of that video, and then you can promote. And that's what I'm doing as well. I have here this website, and you can use other things as well, because you can't just paste the link when you click on, let's go to share, saved, and then create it actually here. And where can we go actually to? Here, yeah, and create a board. Actually, not a board, we already have a board, but create a pin. And here, when you will download the video and we'll upload the video here. Actually, I think I already have a couple of videos, and that's true. I have this video here, and if I upload this video here, I can give credit to the creator, and here add destination link. Please don't just copy affiliate link, which is this one for me. This is great performing product. That's something you can use as well. Click on promote, and don't paste the link right away here, please, because there's a higher chance Pinterest will deactivate your account. All right, make sure here you add some tags, and as this person did here, make sure you don't just copy exactly what he's doing here, but just you can get inspired from his accounts, from his video. But it's a good idea to copy, actually, to put these types of description. You can use ChatGPT to help you with descriptions. Look here, you can add this in your description of your TikTok account. Like if I go to my profile, and here obviously just add the description. You can add like this, not this, get this expert step-by-step instruction you've been missing, and you can add this exactly like this, exactly on the video. You can edit this with CapCut or with CapCut, but CapCut, it's a great option. It's free also, and you can create this types of videos. You just have to add this text. So let's say I select this video, and then I go here to ratio, and I select this ratio, and now I have this video, and I can simply, if you want to crop, you can crop the video from here, and then you can simply just add this text. That's what I'm encouraging you to do. I can just paste this video here. I can obviously you can just this, and now I just have to make it text like this. Now I can select the font style, and I can add this here so people can see that you have a link, that you're promoting something basically. All right, and now we just now obviously you have to render this video. You can click here on export, add the text. Very easy. If you struggle with something, let me know in the comment section and I'll respond to your comment. Now here you can simply just add this description. That's what I'm doing, and you can add this description here, and the credit, I can put this credit here as well, and just here add a title about this video, and click on publish, and make sure you post these videos consistently. I haven't been consistent recently with those videos. I only uploaded 4, but make sure you upload more than 500, 300, 200. This guy posted, this creator and this content owner posted more than 200, I believe. Almost 300, so, but look how many monthly views he's getting. So many, look, 8 million, that's insane. So he's from 8 million views, probably, I don't know, I exactly don't know, but he could make some good money, probably. I don't know, but yeah. Anyways, I will continue creating as well, and I'll show you the results, so make sure you subscribe. So now make sure you use Google Sites. In here, just create a very simple website. Here I can just delete this and this and this and this and this and image. Yes, I can upload an image here, and I can go to affiliate page. Now I can download some images that I want from here, where there are free plans, direct, text, Facebook, main landing, download page. I need some images, that's what I'm looking for. All right, guys. So now, make sure you create a website. If you don't know how to create a website with Google Sites, just let me know in the comment section. I'll show you. In fact, I'll show you right now. It's very easy. Here, I just have to click on this plus right over here, and we have a new website. And now you can just edit this. And now this is the website created. Very simple. Insert link, I will click here and add my affiliate link, apply. Now when visitors will click on this, what I'm doing, Yes, publish. And now probably I will just change this white right now. In fact, doesn't look that good. I can even add an image. Oh, doesn't look that bad actually. And here I'll remove that. And here I'll remove this. So now looks pretty good actually. So yeah, when people will click, they will click on that. So grab this. And now I'll go to edit profile and add this one instead. Make sure here you edit this. Now I'll use this, unlock the expertise. I use ChatGPT obviously to create this. Now here with credits, don't add this. And click on save. And make sure you upload a lot of videos. It's gonna take time. I already uploaded just 4 videos and I already have, look how many views. Almost 400 monthly views. So make sure you upload consistently and you'll see a lot of nice results, alright? Make sure, keep in mind, you need to be consistent, post videos every single day, more than 10 even, and you're gonna see sales, but it takes time. So remember, be patient, and I hope you the best. Thank you for watching.